Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm your host Triple C, and today I'm bringing you another store that sells 3D printed stuff. This store has its own website and it's on Etsy. His name is MiniArmssDepot. It sells 1/12 scale and a little bit of 1/18 scale on his website too. Um, he has a lot of great stuff that I find really cool. We're gonna go over some of it. Some of it is, you may not care for, but this one is the first one up is a sci-fi diorama world background. It is $162. It is pretty big. I forgot to get the exact sizes, but you can get an idea of how big it is. That's a classified figure right there. And then he does sell stuff to go inside of it. Computer, monitors, tables, chairs. This table comes with the monitor attached to it. I believe these monitors are $30 to $50 a piece. The one in the background I'll get to in a minute. But he also sells a military checkpoint. This is $32.95 for this military checkpoint. This is on his website and on Etsy if you guys are interested in any of this stuff. The majority will be on his website. Half of his stuff is on Etsy. So it's MiniArmssDepot. He also sells a tool chest and a car lift, each sold separately, but they're both $29.95. You can get an idea. The tool chest is separately, but they both come in either black and yellow or black and red. And the yellow part should be red. And the same with the tool chest. He also has this 6-pack of ammo can boxes for $16 or $15.95. Now they don't open; they're just props, but they are individual. And then he has this dumbbell with rack for a self-gym. It's $23.95. It is pretty cool. It has 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 different dumbbells on it. He also has a 1/12 scale bench press that comes in either red or yellow, and it's $24.95 for that one. And it's adjustable, so you can lower or raise the back however you want to. Now he also has a laboratory cryo chamber diorama for $77.95. It's actually pretty cool. It has 2 monitors in the cryo chamber itself. It fits a 1/12 scale figure, so you can put even Serpentor would probably be able to fit in that. You wanted to do the whole thing with Serpentor. And this is it comes, you have to put it together so you know what it looks like. He also has a table and chair, table with 2 benches for $23.95. It's a work table. And he also has a computer system with table, chairs, 2 keyboards, and a monitor. It is $33.95. It's actually pretty cool. It's one I may have to get myself because I like this one a lot. It has everything you need with it, and that fits G.I. Joe. All right, and this is what it looks like was shipped to you. And they also has this for $75. It's the wash tower. His wash tower. His version of a wash tower has a satellite dish on the top, and you can put a computer system inside of it if you wanted to. Separately, and it can hold one of his computers. It doesn't come with a ladder now. That's the only thing it doesn't come with. Now he has this. Is the machine gun defense bunker diorama for $184.95. Right now it's on sale for $164.95. It has 4 barricades, sandbags, three machine guns, and the bunker itself. He made one for Cobra, also. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But he also has a jail cell for $41.95. And there's a little bed inside of it. And a toilet. Then he has weapon crates for $17, and they come with 9 weapons, 4 rifles, and 5 Uzis. 4 rifles, 5 Uzis, so 9 weapons total. That one is $17. Now this is his version of a Cobra barrel bunker. This one has a missile turret, some Block A pieces, like the X's, and it has 2 weapon crates and 3 machine guns and 8 missiles that it comes with, and it's blue. That one is pretty cool, and they're 11 inches wide. This piece right here is 11 inches. Now he also has a computer system with 3 monitors, 3 chairs, and a big old computer screen for $105 or $104.95. Comes with everything you see there except for the floor and the back walls. That's the sci-fi display if you want that. Sci-fi wall background. But yeah, it has all 3 of these, the 3 chairs, the 3 consoles, and the big computer screen. And I don't think it actually lights up. No, it doesn't light up. But it does come with all the schematics are printed on it, which is pretty cool. Then there are a 1/12 scale. This is $14.85. 2 monitors and 2 keyboards, which I have myself, which I like these a lot. I want to get another set of those. And this is the red version of the tool chest. And each drawer does open. Then there's a locker for $7, which is a good price actually for that. That's how big it is compared to like a figure. But then he has a bigger locker for $25.95 that comes with 2 canisters. Let's see. It has two gasoline tanks, 6 ammo crates, ammo boxes, several. I think those are handguns. They're handguns or they're clips right there. And then there's these 2, 4, 6 more guns. So it comes with a lot of stuff. This one is $25.95, which is a good price for that. And here's the inside of it. And yeah, he has another a gray version of the ammo crate for $18 or $17.95 with 9 weapons. Also, this was just gray instead of brown. He also has a dumpster that he has. If we can get, it's just a dumpster, and the dumpster is $25.95, but he does sell the trash cans for $12.95 if you wanted the trash cans to go along with it. Then this is the computer that you saw at the beginning in the diorama. This is 6 screens, 1 chair, and 4 towers, and a table. It is $41.95. And if you want to better look at all this stuff, check him out. MiniArmssDepot. He's either on Etsy or he's on his own website. But that's it, guys, for today's adventure of third-party, well, not third-party, I guess 3D printed stores. I'm going to have another one very soon. I'm just waiting for him to come back on vacation to get his permission. Pixie's Designs, as he has some amazing vehicles that I want to show off for you guys. If there's anything you guys want me to go over, let me know in the comments below. I'll let you guys know. Check these stores out. Tell them I sent you. Tell them what you found on the website. And make sure you guys, if you guys need, let me know in the comments below what was your favorite thing you saw there. And just so you guys are aware, this is one of Pixie's Designs vehicles. It's still going down there. It is $1,200, 44 inches long, and it is a beast. And he calls it a Hurricane. So if you want this is made to order. You gotta talk. He'll be back on the 19th on Etsy. He can make any colors you want. If you want like a certain like iron gradient version, if you want that for gold and black. Now it may cost you a little more for the gold if you wanted that, but he can do it in red. He can do it in black. He can do it. You know, if you want him to do yellow for, I don't know, Tiger Force. You have to put on the stripes, but, you know, he can make it in yellow if you want to. But yeah, also, I might have saved the rest for when I do Pixie's Designs. I'll go over that again. I just gotta get more of his vehicles on here. But thank you for watching, guys. Hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And I'll be bringing you more stores that sell 3D printed stuff. I found a lot of them, so I mean, I can go on for a couple of months of this stuff, hopefully. A lot of people keep liking this stuff. Alright, guys. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye, guys.